Hello, my name is Dominic Connolly. I'm Irish and I live in Spain. And this is my presentation for Harley Davidson Rider Wanted 2015. I drive a Thailandese tuk-tuk. I've been a motorcyclist since I was like 12 or 13. I've driven all types of motorbikes, but I've never had the money to have a really good bike. I've done some very nice trips on my own and with friends. I live in Granada in South Spain. Been to Portugal, Gibraltar, all over Andalusia, different parts of Spain like Madrid and Alicante. And all my life had a true passion for riding. And I think I'm the man for the job because I have two long running blogs. I've got a camera photographer title. I'm good with social media like Facebook and Twitter. And I've set up this provisional blog so you have more or less an idea of what I'm capable of doing. The blog is a bit provisional. We've done it very few days with quite good acceptance from my friends. I'd do the Harley Davidson trip I'd go from Cape St. Vincent in Portugal to the North Cape, going all through Central Europe, diverting different countries. My aim would be to visit a country per day, at least, until visiting practically the nearly 40 countries that there are in Europe. From the North Cape, I'd go to Turkey, crossing through the Bosphorus Bridge, and from there back to Paris, across to London, England, all the way up to Scotland, come down by Ireland, go over to the Isle of Man, and then back to my part of the world. Included, I'd really love to cross the Storyboat Bridge with a load of other Harley riders, and to go through the tunnel underneath on a Harley. Be the first person in the world to do that. This would be a great publicity stunt. I've done things like that. Most of my long trips have been with Vespas and clapped out Kawasaki GP-Z 400, which I bought for €600 and I had to pay over the space of 3 months. I am anxious to have a proper bike because I could do really impressive things. I've done over 1,200 kilometers in a day on a bike, on that bike. So, and apart from that, as a professional driver, I've done over 1 million kilometers in all types of vehicles, 120 different types of vehicles. I'm fluent in Spanish, and I can ask for coffee in most European languages. I'm the man. Dominic's the rider. I really think that the conditions were written for me. Practically perfect. And yes, I'm inside the swimming pool. I like to do weird things. As I say, if you see on my blog, I take photographs of peculiar things, apart from the logical things, like the Tour Eiffel and interesting landmarks. And I could create a very entertaining blog for the Harley Davidson project. Rider Wanted. Give me a chance. I'm your man. I'm a poor bastard without any money. Thanks for giving me the chance.